I'm listening to podcasts. And then all of a sudden, some sort of lightning bolt hit me and said, I can do that. I don't. I call my IT group. Well, I've been in business for many, many years. Took a company public, and then I retired. And then I didn't like retirement. I hated retirement. It took about 7 days for me to come to that conclusion. I decided that I needed to start an industrial maintenance company. Now, I know there's probably people in your audience going, "Oh my gosh, that's a lousy business."
There are eyes rolling.
It is. And nobody wants to talk about industrial maintenance, but I did it nonetheless. And it is an awful business model, but needed to figure out a mechanism to be able to have conversations, to find, the companies I wanted to try to provide services to, because nobody wanted to talk about industrial maintenance. And so I'm driving back, I'm on the road, I'm listening to podcasts, and then all of a sudden, some sort of lightning bolt hit me and said, I can do that. I don't. I call my IT group, said, hey, I want to do podcasting. And they said, oh, okay. What do you want to call it? What do you want? And that just started the wheels turning. And then, of course, the World Wide Web, I go out there and I'm doing everything I can. I'm all hopped up on goofballs now because I think it's going to be the best thing since sliced bread, man. I'm going. And I'm finding all this equipment. This was about 9 years ago. I can't remember.
Yeah, you were one of the first.
Yeah. I took a bullet. I was attracted to every shiny thing out there. I blew through wads of cash just because I thought it was the right thing to do. You should have seen this mixer that I found out that is really good, but I'm looking at it. I'm just looking at the picture, and I'm already in cold sweat. I'm thinking to myself, look at the knobs on that thing. I don't even know. But I'm committed. I'm married to this podcast vision, so I'll buy it. So I buy it. Look at it, and I start sort of heaving a little bit because I'm thinking to myself, you are an idiot, Scott. How in the heck are you going to ever, and you sit there and you figure it out. And all of a sudden you're like, all right, I figured it out. And it was just sort of this, and to your listeners, just do it. Just figure it out. That's the journey.